Hi everyone, welcome live today, and we are waiting today for Vicky Arora, who is the brand and who has this company called Foursquare, which is one stop for all the action. So all that you want to know about action, you can ask Vicky today while he's here with us. You can also visit his page Foursquare, where you can see all the action videos. So I hope your questions are ready, and Vicky should be here very soon with us. Hi Dipanvita, I'm good. How are you? Hope all well with you. Hello Bhupi, how are you? Hope all well. Thank you Rasna for the wishes. M Cora, thank you so much. Hi Megha, I'm good. How are you? I'm very good, Mubasir. I hope your questions are ready for action. Anything connected to action, if you want to ask, Vicky's going to be right here from Foursquare. And Foursquare has sent us a request, so let's accept it. And here we are. We're just waiting and we're connecting to Foursquare.
What's up?
What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So this is Vicky Arora, Foursquare के पीछे जो पूरे एक्शन के पीछे है. And ये क्या तुम्हारा क्वारंटाइन लुक है?
ये मेरा क्वारंटाइन लुक है. Yeah.
Or
Action.
is it that action quarantine look? Like, what is it?
But there's no action happening. The only action that happens is in the kitchen.
Oh, what are you doing? All action sequences वो बर्तन ऐसे
Yeah, I'm doing all the
उड़ाते हुए.
बर्तन धोने, धोते, झाड़ू घुमाते, all the action stuff. I've got so many creative ideas for so many videos now, so that you've got no idea.
So the next action video that we're going to see on Foursquare, is it going to be shot in a kitchen where the whole action sequence is happening and there is a person or a girl or a hot looking girl like me hitting with all the kitchen equipment? ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है?
By the way, we just released a video in the kitchen. It's called Kitchen Kung Fu.
Yeah, but there is always a sequel to
I might have
everything.
to take you someplace else.
Let's get back to kitchen, quarantine kitchen.
Quarantine kitchen. Yeah. Wait, I'm just putting this on.
Yes, please.
Can you hear me? No.
I can hear you, but I think if you put that on, it'll be better.
Yeah.
So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
Say that again.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
Yeah, thrice.
Oh shit. Okay, so before I start fooling around more, there are a few questions that have come, and let's get
Already?
on to. Yeah, already they have. I think they were already ready with all the questions before you came in, and I also have a lot of questions as always. So
That's
the
amazing.
first question is that tell us a funny fact of action.
What?
Funny fact of action, because action is
Fun-
very serious, you know. The moment you think of action, at least I'm like, oh my god, action. So tell us a funny fact.
Yeah, action in our industry has always been so intense, right? Okay, I'll tell you what's funny. So whenever we do like a casting for an action project, so like we don't select the person, he or she, if like कि उनको मारना आता है कि नहीं आता है. हम
Okay,
ये देखते हैं कि उन्हें मार खाना आता है कि नहीं आता है.
क्योंकि फनी है तो उनको मार खाना पड़ेगा, मार नहीं सकते हैं.
No. See, there's a thing about it. See, action involves a lot of timing, precision, reactions. So if you miss even like a fraction of a second in your timing, while you're hitting somebody or while you are getting hit, then you might just actually hurt yourself or the other person. So that's why getting hit is more important than how good you are at kicking or punching or flying. I mean that's secondary. First we want to see that if you know how to fall or not, like safely without hurting yourself. People don't know how to fall. I mean,
Yeah, I know.
yeah,
It's
and yeah,
scary.
basically, and I've actually I have a friend who once told me this. He went on working for a South film, and this was his first action project, by the way. So he's like, he had no idea how to punch a guy. and he couldn't even ask anybody because he felt कि यार मैं तो फिल्म का मेन से पूछूं लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि so yeah, this happens, and so he ended up actually punching the other guy. So and it was a blunder, man. Like yeah,
So,
like
one
I
of
wasn't on
your,
the project. I wasn't on the project, so yeah.
as a kid, did you enjoy fighting? Like, usually all boys tend to like enjoy
I
fighting
think
and all.
see you. I think it's given, no? Like for all the boys within their childhood, they've always been a fan of those Jackie Chan movies and Kung Fu karate wala movies, Shaolin. मतलब मेरा बचपन में सपना था यार कि आई वांट लाइक कि नहीं यार अगर मुझे मौका मिलेगा मैं शाओलिन जाऊंगा कुंफू सीखने के लिए.
तो अभी
Yeah, so I've
सिखा भी
always
रहे
been
हो
a fan
एक्शन
of
सबको.
action movies.
अभी तो Foursquare is also taking action lessons and they're teaching action. And can you tell us a little about the action course?
See, basically, Foursquare has a division. It's called Foursquare Academy. Basically, where for the first time, we have started like action workshops for actors or action enthusiasts. Now, like it's one of a kind. Yeah, you're an actor. I'll ask you, okay? If you have to learn action, like where do you go first?
To an action school or something, but I would go to Foursquare only
We don't
now
have
that
an
I know
action
because I
school.
didn't know.
We no
Exactly,
before
so I
like
didn't know, so
if
I
there
couldn't
was no
learn.
I'm saying if there was no action school, if there was like even before Foursquare, like where would you go to learn action? Like first thing that comes to your
I
mind,
don't think
you wanna
anywhere.
you wanna no, but what kind of training that you think that you could do on your level? Where would you go?
Punch, boxing, like go for those
Right,
things
to a martial
maybe.
arts class, right?
Yeah,
To a
like
martial
that's
arts
the
class.
one, that and gymnastics. मतलब यही दो तीन चीजें ऐसे लगता है कि मे भी वो सीख लिया तो कुछ कर लेंगे.
Maybe. See,
Maybe
it's
a
a
big
it's an
maybe.
uncharted territory. That's what I'm trying to explain over here. It's an uncharted territory. Like, see, action क्या है?
क्या है?
Okay. Do you know that the word emotion has come from a Latin word which is called to move,
Okay.
right? So it's emotion is not something mental. It's actually an action word, right?
Yeah, like correct.
Right? And do you also agree कि एक्शन जब भी किसी पर्टिकुलर फिल्म में या किसी पर्टिकुलर सीन तक जब तक हम पहुंचते हैं एक्शन इट्स ओनली बिकॉज के दो कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस अब बन चुके हैं इस नौबत तक कि मतलब दे आर रेडी टू फाइट नाउ और दे आर
True.
रेडी टू perform some kind of action or stunt to get that thing done or whatever. Yeah, so action and emotion basically go hand in hand, right? Or
Yeah, there has to be a motive to your
there has to be a
emotion.
motive. There has to be a motive. And performing action is not only kicking and punching. Performing action is uh, is to move with emotion, basically.
Wow, I never saw action like that. Now
Yep.
suddenly I think I'm going to watch all action movies from a different point of view. Though, I cannot watch action movies and I have landed up watching sometimes only because of you. Because you're like, अरे ये scene तो देख.
Yeah, action movies. I find them very emotional, by the way. Like, just
I know your
imagine a
love for action.
situation.
That's how Foursquare
Yeah.
came.
Right.
So yeah, just imagine a situation.
Yeah, so getting back to your question, basically, so Foursquare has basically started this these workshops. This we have actually invented a course like a detailed course for actors or action enthusiasts or people who are interested in improv to help them understand action from a emotional point of view
Point of view.
and also at the same time to be aware of themselves, like that it's really important to be aware of your own emotions to be a good actor, right?
Right.
So that's what makes you better than any other actor because you have more control on your own emotions and you can emote it well. So that's what action is all about, basically. It's just having more control on your body, trusting yourself, and so yeah, we just try to build that trust within you and make you more aware of yourself, so that you don't hurt anybody or yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, which is really important that we don't hurt anybody else in the bargain, unless you know the person
More
with whom you're
importantly,
shooting you
more
want to hurt.
more importantly, you don't hurt yourself.
Oh हाँ,
Right?
वो भी है.
एक पंच मुंह पे लगा, अरे एक हफ्ते तक शूट नहीं हो सकती है, लाइक इमेजिन.
So tell me, which was the first action sequence that you choreographed?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Ah, I would say I was very lucky in that manner. I never ever imagined that I would get into action, to be honest. Yeah, like I always have, and I do feel that I am an actor first. uh, and But action is something which just happened to me, and I realized that it's important that I learn more about this as well, because ultimately it started with okay, hi, yaar, tomorrow if I have to choreograph my own scenes, or if I have to perform action, I would know what will look good on me. Like how an actor knows कि मेरा कौन सा प्रोफाइल अच्छा है या कौन सा अच्छा नहीं है, उसी तरह I would know what looks good on me and what doesn't. So it started that way, but fortunately I got an opportunity to work with Sanjay Gupta.
Okay.
So Shootout at Vadala was my first project, and
Wow.
there's a jail fight in it of John Abraham and Chetan Hansraj. They are like their hands are tied. One hand is tied to each other, and they're trying to kill each other. Yeah. So it's an open ground fight, and that's my first fight, and that's how I got into the action world.
तो शूट आउट से आपका पूरा shout out towards Foursquare happened.
Yeah,
Kind of.
yeah.
Hi Farad, thank you for liking my performance and That's My Girl. Vicky, somebody is asking, Captain Hunger Pranks is asking, can you
If
sing
I
too?
can sing too.
Actual कर सकते हो, perform तो कर ही रहे हो, hero के नाते. Your new show has also come out on Woot, right?
Oh yes,
Right now.
yes. It's called Illegal. It just came out day before yesterday. I got a chance to watch it yesterday, and I think I really liked it. By the way, guys, if you get an opportunity, it's right now the most viewed show in India, and it's 8.5 on IMDb, and it's a good show. I mean, I'm looking good.
So everyone post this live session, you know, you can go online on Woot and watch Vicky because he's looking good and it's a good show.
It's a
So
good
let's
show.
see and
It's a
get
good
back
show.
to him.
Yeah, it's a good show. You don't have to watch it for me, but yeah, you'll find me somewhere in
So
the first episode,
Captain Hunger
in the
Pranks
first
wants to
scene.
listen to you.
He wants to listen to me what?
Sing.
Sing.
Listen to you sing. So you have to sing a song which is action related. Like if you, okay, you know, if you
Uh,
had to do an action sequence on a particular old song, any song that has already happened, which song would it be?
भागडी के भूस.
Then you'll have to sing it for him. So are you sure you want to sing it?
No,
Think of a song that you can sing.
listen. I don't want to scare whoever is live right now. My-
But you know, Captain Hunger Pranks really wants you to sing for us, right? Captain Hunger Pranks. So how many people want him to sing? Even if we get 4 thumbs up, we'll make Vicky sing for you.
yeah, there is none.
There are,
So
see, they're
so
coming and I can
see,
see.
I thought these guys were like all action enthusiasts. Like, why do you guys want to
Yeah, but they're thinking
hear
on
me sing?
what song
Like,
could you like
Vicky, please.
perform action?
See, Alok doesn't want me to sing. See, he's there and he doesn't want me to sing.
Okay, Alok knows how bad you are at singing.
What's up,
Alok,
Rahmatullah?
we should make him sing, don't you think so? Because we can't make him perform action. तो कुछ तो करे.
You tell me, like, how come, like, you decided that that sudden interest, obviously मेरी वजह से आया होगा, but लेकिन
See, for me, when it was action, I always was running away from action. एक तो मेरे को बचपन में ना action बहुत funny लगता था क्योंकि जैसे किसको मारो ना all those funny voices would come. So I would be like, ऐसे होता है क्या? And I would try to punch my elder brothers and all, and they would obviously remove the noise. So every time I would punch, my Rakhi brother Deepu, I'd go like, "Shh," and he would go like, he would only remove a voice. "Shh." And I'm like, okay, this really happens maybe for the longest time. So for me,
I
action
used to
was like,
find it. You have you heard like वो वाले एक्शन सीन्स देखे हैं पुरानी फिल्मों में ऐसे डिशुम डिशुम
हाँ.
लोग मारते वक्त खुद ही मुंह से आवाज निकालते थे.
So I used to find that really funny. And later on, when I saw little action, I used to start crying, खून देख के. Especially if Sanjay Dutt was beaten. I was like, अरे ऐसे कैसे हो गया? Like Yalgar में he was beaten and how and
I know.
खून निकल रहा है. And everyone telling me, no, it's ketchup, it's ketchup. So I stopped eating ketchup. So for me, action was like, just keep it away. Then, obviously, you got into action and you made me realize, though थोड़ी देर हो गई मुझे realize करते हुए that all that is a act. It is ketchup, it is this, it is that. And then I started obviously
It's
enjoying action a little more.
it's all fake. It is. I mean, you have no idea to what extent the fakeness lies. It's all fake. Nothing is real in it.
So, which is your favorite action scene from Bollywood?
From Bollywood.
And an old one, like retro.
Oh, I have one. Uh, have you seen that film called Gardish?
Jackie Shroff.
Jackie Shroff. Yes. And
I
then
know
there
a
is
song from there. ये
yeah.
वो मूवी है ना हम न समझे थे
Correct.
You can sing that for us.
हाँ, but मुझे आता नहीं है.
अच्छा चलो सीन बता दो वहां से.
हाँ. So basically, there comes a point when his father is getting beaten up and he's coming back from an interview and he sees that his father is getting hit by the main villain and he enters the fight and he start beating the shit out of this guy and that I think that uh, that's one fight that has stayed with me since since childhood. I found it very very intense and very very uh, impactful because I think at the end of the day that's what matters. It's not just about kicking and punching, as I said. It's what stays with you.
True. Which emotion stays? Like you were talking about that. Um, in Latin, emotion is to move. It's
Correct.
action. There is a motive behind.
Yeah.
And lately, I was watching Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, and there was this whole action sequence between late Amjad Khan and Amitabh Bachchan. And I was really moved by that action sequence because the whole sequence was the emotion was for love. Like there were two villains actually fighting for love because पहले क्या होता था कि
Yeah.
आपको क्या है एक्शन इज ऑल अबाउट कि नहीं मारपीट है फॉर मनी इज व्हाट इट वाज अ स्टैंडर्ड thing. And when I saw
Right.
Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, the way the whole action is taking place, and in the end, both are dying with that one rod that they've hit each other, that action sequence just stayed with me. I was like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful love story if you go to see it. Like, action comes love story.
See, I told you, right? कि किसी भी स्टोरी में या किसी भी सीन में या किसी भी फिल्म में एक्शन ओनली हैपेंस व्हेन देयर इज द मोमेंट हैज कम वेयर ऑल द इमोशंस ऑफ बोथ द कैरेक्टर्स हैव कम टू दैट एक्सटेंट कि नहीं यार अब लड़ना ही पड़ेगा मतलब वो चीज है पर लेकिन जब तक फ्रॉम एन डायरेक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू until unless you have achieved that there is no point of starting a fight because it's not going to be good. Yeah, that's why I think I feel a lot of lot of the action scenes in the new Bollywood cinema I feel they're like they just miss that important part. Most of the
Yeah, and
time
it's the
most of
sound
the time it's
also.
all heroism. Yeah, and the
Then
sound
there's the
also
sound
I know
also. Yeah, the
it's
sound has
just
suddenly
so
vanished
funny.
in the new age.
Yeah, it has not evolved. I would say like it's still like there is so much that a sound can add. You know what? In fact, which reminds me, we're going to be having a live session soon with a sound engineer who's going to be talking about how sound is so important for action scenes or fight scenes and how it transforms you or it transports you basically
To a different.
to a different
It
world
just highlights
altogether.
the whole sequence, right? That's
Yeah,
what I'm trying
it's
to gauge from what you're saying.
see every single thing in filmmaking, anything, be it the camera department, be it the lighting, one single light, or even the aspect ratio, or even action, or anything, any dialogues that you say, everything has a uh, is a story between the lines, which is called the subtext. So there is a reason for everything, and if you are not smart enough to give that subtle gesture to the audience, I mean, the project is not gonna work. It's like it won't be appealing. I mean, it's likely that it will.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Joe Aquim Gonzalez official is saying that when we were discussing about action, that whatever we've discussed, a part of it was called the selling the hit, and he had to practice a lot of action before his last film, and it was too much fun. So, do you agree that even the practice session of action adds up to a lot of fun? Like, is there any funny incident that happened during practice with any of the celebrities that you were shooting with?
All the time. It's just all the time. I mean, action is so much fun. You have no idea. I mean, all the action shoots that I have had, there's never been a single action shoot which I've not enjoyed. So even the practice sessions, uh, it's funny that you've asked this, because something as simple as I don't know how to react. So we just came up with this exercise where you hit the other person with a paper ball.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's basically improvisation. So it's like, so what we'll do is, like, 10 people will just hold a paper ball, and we'll just make the person who's supposed to learn how to react to hits. So he'll stand in the middle, and one by one we'll just start hitting him with that paper ball. So wherever he gets it, he's supposed to react to it, or to fall, or to, just react. And a lot of people have this tendency of, just keeping their chin down and covering their face, giving their head to the camera and not their face to the camera. So these are a few things which are like really, it's just fun stuff. Uh, you should be there to enjoy it. Actually, I mean, I don't think it can be described well in words.
So there's a compliment for you. There are lots, but just this one that is just on the top. Mickey Makhija is saying, Vicky, one of the most multi-talented guys I've ever worked with.
Love you, Mickey sir. I know him. He's an amazing, fabulous actor himself, and I've worked with him on quite a few projects now, and he's just adorable. Thank you so much, Mickey sir. Love you too.
And Captain Hunger Pangs, though you've not sang for him, he's saying he's a big fan of yours from a very long time. And
I appreciate it. I'm humbled. Thank you so much.
Alok is talking about his suffering with you. Alok, I'm with you. I'm suffering since school, so I can totally understand and relate with you.
Alo, probably you should start working with Shweta here. You could probably help.
I know we'll make a better team, Alok. I totally agree with.
Yeah, why should I only suffer?
Excuse me. Hi, Dr. Joe. Welcome to the chat. So, Vicky, there is somebody asking me that how important is, like you just mentioned, the reaction to an action.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
obviously, it is very important. Like you said, अगर मैं ऐसे ही रख के तुमसे chat करूँ और मेरे बाल दिखाऊं, so it's not going to work.
I know.
So,
I know.
how does one work on that? Like quick tips or something?
See, you have to be conscious of your body language. It's like when you're performing an acting scene, how you are conscious of your reactions, that and you're gonna take that pause, you're gonna take that look, you're gonna hold there, and you're gonna wait for the punchline. So that's how you need to be aware of your body language. Like, you need to figure it out yourself, look into the mirror, and find out like what profile or what body language or what stance works for you. At the same time, I think you should also learn how to trust your body, because
Okay.
see, कभी अगर एक किसी सीन में अगर आपके किसी को गुस्सा आ जाता है और कोई थप्पड़ मारने वाला है, तो कोई 10 बार नहीं सोचता कि मैं उसको थप्पड़ कैसे मारूंगा. सबको मालूम है थप्पड़ कैसे मारते हैं. ठीक है, you know, it's just second nature. So you need to get you know, start practicing where you are kicking or punching, like looking yourself into the mirror, you know, like overlapping your face, like practice in a way, find out, go online, research on your own, join the workshop, or if not, do some kind of self learning, but learn at least on some level. Because see, I'm not saying that you don't need to be that you need to be an action star to do this, but you at least need not to suck at it.
Which is also equally difficult because action does require, like, it's like dance. You
Yeah.
need to know some basic techniques, you need to know how your body moves, and all of that.
but
So there was
but
a fighting scene of yours, someone throwing you on the wall of an unfinished building, and there
Right.
was no harness, so safety. So how did you pull that off?
No, but there was we had paddings inside our shirt, so and we knew the technique how to fall. We had practiced it over and over a very long period of time. We have done rehearsals. We have done camera rehearsals. So yeah, we went completely prepared. But yeah, something like this requires a lot of preparation, and it shouldn't be done under uh, without supervision. So please don't try it at home.
Please don't try it at home. I'm repeating, please don't try it at home because that is
Yeah.
something that usually a lot of people do, think. And now while quarantine, I'm sure a lot of people are going to be trying and practicing new stuff. So action is something, basics try karo, but उससे ज़्यादा घर पे कुछ मत करो. Don't like
No,
remove
even if you
any
want to
action
try
sequences and keep
I'm
it.
saying that even if you want to try something, just do it under the supervision of an expert or somebody
Or
who's there,
somebody.
and you have, like, check that there is something for safety, that you're trying, that you're learning how to fall on bed first, not on the don't fall directly on the floor, or just don't do that. And please don't perform any kind of action without any safety or without any supervision. See, it's really I don't know. Sometimes I'm amazed when I see actors who are not able to even ask what to do or how to do. Like, they don't even ask out of I don't know what, out of fear, or out of pride, or out of ego. I don't know that. But I think the first thing that an action director expects from you when you walk the set is just to be honest. Like, if you know something, then tell them you know this. If you don't know something, just tell him honestly, and trust him, because you know what, he's gonna give you those 2 or 3 steps which are ultimately going to make you look good.
True.
So, and keep you safe.
Which is very important.
Absolutely, yeah. So
So,
trust
any
yourself and trust your action director also.
Any quick safety tips that you can give besides these to the new learners?
The best safety tip that I can give is, whenever in doubt, don't do it.
Wow, I like this line. And I think this is not only connected to action, but this is something that even generally, be it anything you're doing that you're not sure about, don't do it.
Yeah,
Because
even
you
if there
can't give
is,
your 100% to it.
yeah, absolutely. Even if there's, like, see, with action, it's really important, because even if 0.1% there is some kind of doubt in your mind that, whether or not you should do this or not, or but ask as many questions as possible. Please ask. It's your right, and you can ask for it. And but even if there's like a slightest of doubt, don't do it. You can,
Okay,
as
you kept saying that ask questions because it is very important to ask questions and know what is working for you,
yeah,
what is not
what
working
is
for you, how to
what
go
is my
about.
safety? What is this
So,
harness for?
what is the
Whatever.
frequent question that is, for people like when a layman who's not an actor or is a new actor comes to you, what is
Yeah.
the frequent questions that you've been asked where action is concerned?
Okay. Two kind of actors. Uh, I'll tell you. So this is most, see, you need to understand that we don't have an action academy. Okay.
True.
We have a lot of martial arts class, but
मार्शल आर्ट जिम्नास्टिक्स बॉक्सिंग वो सब है बट
gymnastics, boxing,
जेन्युइनली
सबको
अगर मुझे
सबको
सिर्फ
लगता
एक्शन
है,
सीखना है
या
तो
एक्शन
नहीं.
अगर सीखना है, सी, martial arts, it's good that you know martial arts, it's good that you're learning martial arts, and it will help you. I'm not denying that, but martial arts is only like 2% of, or maximum 4% of action is all about. Like, action is not martial arts, action is the application of martial arts. So you need to understand that. I have worked with the best of martial artists, and trust me, they don't know how to perform action in front of the camera. I have worked with the best of actors in the industry, and trust me, when it comes to action, they're just blank. They don't know. Like, and I'm telling you, when you have control of your emotions, you are somebody known as who's very emotionally intelligent. You know, a very intelligent actor, a very brilliant actor. You know, this is what happens when you go out of emotions, or when you go out of control. What does that say about the actor? कौन एक्टर है यार ये, राइट? वैसे ही
True.
एक्शन के साथ है. अगर तुम्हारे ऊपर कंट्रोल है तो सही है, अगर कंट्रोल नहीं है तो यार ये मतलब इवन द ब्रिलियंट एक्टर्स विल लुक स्टूपिड. So two kind of actors, basically, I've experienced dealing with. One is, you need to understand, both of these actors have never performed action before. Okay,
Okay.
so the first kind of actor is, आज तो मैं वाट लगा दूंगा, आज तो मैं आग लगा दूंगा, मतलब आज तो मैं मतलब कुछ कर दूंगा, ऐसे देखना मैं फोड़ दूंगा, मैं तो एकदम ऐसे. ठीक है, एक तो ये कि फुल जोश, which is good. I'm not denying it also. But second kind of actor, ओ शिट यार क्या होने वाला है, ओ शिट मैं पूछूं, मैं नहीं पूछूं, मैं किसको पूछूं, मेरे को तो मतलब भी नहीं मालूम कितनी सारी चीजों का, ओ शिट मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं असिस्टेंट को कैसे पूछूं, या फिर किसको पूछूं, असिस्टेंट को भी पता है कि नहीं पता है, मतलब ऐसा है, एक्शन डायरेक्टर क्या समझेगा मेरे बारे में, ये हीरो है कि क्या है ये, मतलब यू नो. दोनों केसेस में एक चीज कॉमन है.
क्या?
they have no, they have no idea what's going to happen with them.
Okay.
And I have felt, in my experience, only actors who have just come up to me and told me, or you know, or to my action director, you know, when I was assisting someone, sir मुझे ये आता है और ये नहीं आता, सर मुझे ये चीज मैं कर लूंगा, इसके लिए आप प्लीज डुप्लीकेट को ले आना. Whoever is honest about what they know and what they don't know, I think they are the ones who, you know, end up becoming the action stars. This goes with John Abraham also, by the way, because when I was working with him, he told me, Vicky, don't give me any kicks, I don't know how to kick, I mean, I'm too stiff. So see, this helped me, you know, choreograph the fight sequence in a way where I will only highlight the sides which I know which will look good on him. Why would I give him a kick when I know he doesn't know how to kick? You know, so if you're
True.
honest with your action director, and you know, with your choreographer, or your action designer, I mean, it really helps. I mean, they are there to make you look good.
I think you did another movie too lately with Jacqueline, right? Uh,
No,
if
it's
I'm
not a
not
movie.
mistaken.
It's basically an ad film where
Yeah,
there's
which
Jacqueline and Hrithik Roshan. RMD
so
Laminates, yeah.
so even that had action and all of that required, right? There was
Yeah.
something. So tell us something about that because I know there's a
Uh,
lot there.
First, I'll tell you about Jacqueline. I mean, she's really hardworking. She's very hardworking, I would say. This was supposed to be a 3-day shoot, and I think 1-day rehearsal. And Hrithik only showed up on the last day. Okay, but I'll come back to that later. But Jacqueline was there since day one. She was rehearsing and performing, and you know, giving all her scenes and shots and everything. And she was there from morning till the end of the day. And she's very hardworking. And she doesn't like it when, you know, you get a duplicate for her. So she wants to do everything by
Okay.
herself. Yeah. So there was a shot.
Wow.
There was a cable shot where, you know, where Hrithik had to like lift her in the air, and you know, she walks on the wall, and then she jumps, and you know, and there was a moment where she does a full split. She did it all by herself. Yeah.
Wow. And how many days practice was required for something like this?
Oh, Jacqueline just rehearsed on the set. Yeah.
Yeah, because she herself
She,
is so
yeah,
flexible
yeah,
and so much into
yeah, yeah.
workout and all of that.
Yeah, she just rehearsed
So,
on the set. Ritik, I would say, is a very fast learner. He's very good. In fact, he's amazing for that matter. He's very good with his dancing skills, but a lot of people don't know that he's amazing with his action skills. He has that, understanding and that awareness of how to do certain things in a certain manner. In fact, I would say it's been quite a while that I've worked on this ad film, like almost like 2 or 3 years, I would say.
yeah,
But
it's been a while.
yeah, I got an opportunity to work just for one day with Ritik, and in that one day, I think I had learned much more than I'd ever learned in my 4 years of career, like before. So he really knows the technical stuff. He really knows the emotional stuff, and yeah, he really moves with emotions, man. He's good and he's graceful in that. So yeah, I mean, earlier I thought कि यार ऋतिक ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं यार, मतलब 3 दिन की शूट है और वो 2 दिन आया ही नहीं, सीधा तीसरे दिन आया, एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो बड़े मतलब सेलिब्रिटी वाले चोचले हैं या ऐसा कुछ है. बट व्हेन ही केम ऑन द थर्ड डे, आई मीन, he knew everything what he had to do, and he finished the job. There was
Wow.
no pending shoot, like producer को कोई
Which is
नुकसान नहीं,
important.
which
Like,
is
till
important.
the
Yeah,
producer is not suffering, the
yeah.
job is done, money is not wasted, and it's done well, then there's no complaints from anybody.
Absolutely. I think that says a lot about an actor, that how well you are uh, in terms of your education when it comes to performing.
So we have here a couple of fans of Ritik because we suddenly got so many thumbs up. And Dr. Rasna wants to know which is your favorite action movie of Ritik?
My favorite action movie of Hrithik, um I think the recent one, War. Yeah, I think that's amazing. Also, Dhoom.
Oh, yeah.
There is Mr. Captain here.
Yeah,
Captain
he
Hunger
says
Pants,
it's
who
his
says
friend's
his friend's
Pooja's birthday
Pooja's
today.
birthday.
Could
Could you
you
please
please
wish her?
wish her? She's a big fan too.
Shweta Rohira, please wish her.
He
She's
wants
a
you
big.
to wish her. So please wish Pooja. Happy
Uh,
birthday, Pooja, from my side.
Happy birthday, Pooja, from my side as well. May you have an amazing day. Hope you are well and safe at home.
So there is a student from your R. Hi,
श्वेता
sir.
बहुत
I'm your
खूबसूरत हो आप.
RRR student.
There is
Thank
somebody who's
you.
saying श्वेता बहुत खूबसूरत हो आप.
वही मैंने सोचा अचानक तू कब से कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहा है I was like, wow, today तो
No,
genuinely
even
I'm
I can. No,
looking.
you look amazing today, Shweta. I mean, I really like your
Thank you, Vicky.
earrings. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's get back. So, in regional
Uh,
movies, action is totally different.
yeah.
Way of action, like Hollywood का style अलग है, Bollywood का style अलग है, South का style completely अलग है, and Bhojpuri का style अलग है.
Think I'm losing you on
When it
the
comes to
net.
regional movies, okay,
You're
so
breaking
when
in
it comes
between.
to regional movies, can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but
Okay.
huh,
So I was
it's fine.
saying, I'll repeat my question that, action is different in every movie field. Like
Right, right,
Hollywood action is different, Bollywood action is different, South is extremely different, and Bhojpuri is completely different. So when it comes to
right.
regional movies, what do you have to say about action?
Uh, see, I'm not here judging anybody, but I think it's important that every region has its own style.
True.
Because see, it just completely depends upon what kind of taste that we have. Like, even see, we can't compare ourselves with Hollywood, and we shouldn't, because what we have of our own is something much more appealing to us. क्योंकि सिंपल सी बात है यार, हमें क्या खाना पसंद है? हमें अपनी दाल में तड़का पसंद है।
Correct.
लाइक हमें अपनी दाल में हमें एक ब्लैंड दाल नहीं चाहिए। लाइक वी डोंट वांट एनीथिंग जिसमें कार्ब्स इतना होना चाहिए, जिसमें प्रोटीन इतना होना चाहिए। डेली लाइफ में, मतलब एक रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में, आई मीन अ कॉमन मैन डजंट ईट लाइक दैट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। एंड ही वांट्स सम तड़का इन हिज दाल, some taste, some flavor, which adds up to the excitement, and that's what our movies are all about. We need that kind of tadka in our action scenes. We need some kind of, spice, flavor. But it's important that you recognize what kind of style or what kind of taste or flavor what actually works for your film. So yeah, I mean, even in South films, I would say कि ये वहाँ की requirement है, and we've realized, like, slowly from Wanted, I think we've realized कि even we've started enjoying that a lot.
Enjoying that thing.
Yeah. So yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna play a
Did
quick
I answer
question
your
round.
question? Did I answer your question here or
Yes,
not?
yes, you did.
I did. Yeah.
You did. And I have a lot more questions. So we're going to start before we end the session, a quick question answer round where I'm going
Okay.
to ask you some basic things and you have to reply really quickly in monosyllabus.
Like rapid fire.
Kind of. But it's not rapid fire really because even I don't know the question. So I might go slowly
Okay.
asking. But you can't take too long and you can't give us like answers like, I don't know, itni sari and those kind of things. Okay.
Okay, I just have to be
So,
like one word or maybe
yeah,
one statement.
like max,
One
yeah,
statement.
one statement and quick. You can't take time. Like,
Okay, done.
you can't buy
Done.
time here. It's like as if I'm
This
punching you and immediately you have to react.
this better be fun though.
You have to make it fun. I'm questioning. You have to answer. Your answers better be fun. So, everyone, are you
Okay.
ready? Okay. So, favorite action hero, Bollywood.
Favorite action hero, Bollywood, Ritik. Yeah.
Favorite heroine, action.
क्या Bollywood?
Bollywood. फिलहाल हम बॉलीवुड में ही हैं.
Favorite heroine?
See, you can't buy time. 1, 2.
Tapsi. Yeah, because I've worked with her, so yeah.
Share a quick moment, some experience of action that you enjoyed with Tapsi, like as in like when you were performing, some incident of the situation while you were performing together.
Okay, as silly as it sounds and as funny it may seem like, Tapsi is really good with action, but she hates it. She doesn't like it. She enjoys comedy more. I mean, that's what she told me when we had this conversation when I was working with her on a short feature. It's called Niti Shastra, where we're just trying to kill each other. There's a very intense action scene in that film, and so somewhere down the line, like during the shooting of that action scene, I asked her, okay. I was asking her something on action, like, what's your background? You're really good at it, and this and that. And she's like, hey, I don't like action. I'm like, what? You're so good at it. And she's like, no, I don't like action. I'm like, I enjoy comedy more.
Okay. Favorite action movie, old one, Bollywood. Favorite
action
Bollywood
movie,
classic.
old one, Bollywood.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I
can. You hear me now? Okay.
Yeah,
Favorite
yeah.
Bollywood action movie, old.
Old classic.
1, 2,
I told
3,
you one,
4,
Gardish.
5, 6.
I told you Gardish.
Gardish is
before.
not old, yeah. It is.
Agnipath.
Jagu Dada is still there.
Agnipath.
पुरानी वाली नई वाली.
पुरानी वाली यार.
वो भी इतनी old नहीं, like really classic.
Like really classic. Appu Raja types.
Yeah.
Appu Raja. शेर का action scene.
Historic action movie.
Favorite historic action movie? Bollywood. Mughal Azam.
Um, if you had to do some historic part, like if you had to choreograph the whole historic sequence, something, be it the Mughal, be it Shivaji Raje, Maratha Emperor time,
Yeah,
what,
yeah.
which one would it be?
Which one would it be?
Yeah.
Chandragupta Maurya.
Um, I have to tell you while Agnipath. So when I saw Agnipath action, I did not like it. The new
The new
one,
one or the new
the
one?
new
Okay.
one. Because firstly, I'm a big fan of Sanjay Dutt, so I couldn't see him get beaten up. I was like, this
Yeah.
is not done. This Kanchi cannot be beaten up. And he's like
Baba is
really,
Baba.
and he's like broad and heavy. And when Ritik
Yeah.
was carrying him and twisting him and turning him over, I'm like, ये नहीं हो सकता है.
Yeah,
This is not.
you can't. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, you don't immediately it just comes to you. You can't relate with it,
Yeah, you can't.
right?
So I'm like, no, this is bad action. This is not happening. Sanjay Dutt can't be beaten. So yeah, when it
I
comes to
I
action,
I
my favorite
recently
is Sanjay Dutt.
I recently had an opportunity working with Sanjay Dutt, and that's when I realized he's so sweet. That guy is so sweet. I mean, he's so
So what
he's
did you
just
shoot
sweet,
with him
man.
for?
I was shooting for Bhuj, The Pride of India. It's not released yet. It's a film where you have Sanjay Dutt and Ajay Devgan in it. Sonakshi Sinha is also there. So there was this fight scene which I was supposed to choreograph, and I was choreographing this fight scene. Then we met on a day when we were shooting it, and he's like, so we had this chat, a small funny chat on logic and illogical things and logical things that we do while performing action. And he was like, bro, logic भूल जा bro, अपनी picture hit है वाला ऐसा है. And he's like so warm and so sweet when he's explaining you things also, that you can never feel you can never get intimidated. Although he has a very intimidating personality.
True.
When he walks the set, I mean, you actually see like, oh shit, Baba ka mood अच्छा होगा ऐसा. But he's not like that. He's not like, I've hardly seen him angry. And he's just really really sweet. And he's Baba because he's a small baby. He may be that old. He may be because he looks old, but he's like a child. He's like a sweet child, and who's always happy with little things. So yeah, he's really, really. I was very amazed and glad that I got this opportunity to work with him. This was my first ever encounter with him, and I think I've fallen in love with his personality.
I'm in love with him since I was a kid, so I can totally understand.
Yalgar ho.
So okay, let's get back to our quick question before we end the chat. Favorite villain when it comes to action in Bollywood?
In Bollywood, favorite villain. It's really
Hello, quick.
हाँ. अरे पुरानी पिक्चर में जाना पड़ेगा यार. नए में कौन था? एक्शन
Listen,
जिसने किया ही
villains
नहीं.
rule the world. Like Bollywood cinema is ruled by the villains. So
No,
quickly,
but
quickly
I,
tell me the
I, I'm,
favorite
I'm
bad
thinking
man.
about a villain who performed action, which I would say Gabbar Singh. Yeah, because he performed action.
So tell us one scene that you remember of Gabbar Singh that has stayed with you.
Oh, I think the entire of Sholay, I would say, like each and every pause and each and every bit and each and every like banduk chalana, and when he was the finale also for that matter, where uh, Amit sir dies, and where this guy takes fights back, the Dharmendra sir fights back and everything. I think that was very nicely done. So I felt it. Like even today when I watch Sholay, it's an old film, but you feel it.
True. The last question. What is the most stupidest question somebody's asked you when it comes to action?
What is the most stupidest
Stupidest
thing?
question.
Stupidest thing. Uh, I mean, it's it's so many.
Yeah,
It's not
I
one.
know. That's why I said just see. I told you. I had warned you when we started this rapid fire. Nothing like इतने सारे हैं मैं क्या बोलूँ ये वो.
I'll tell you. So I'm not gonna take the name, but a very big celebrity, very big, who's famous for actually hitting his co-actors in the fight scene. Yeah, and everybody in the action industry, not everybody. I mean, the fighters in the action industry are really scared to work with him because they know that he has an habit of actually hitting, while during the fight scene. And it just so happened somebody warned me of this, and a fighter came to me and he told me that, what, sir को please बोलना जरा समझा के सर एक्चुअल में ना मार दे, मतलब ऐसा सीन है। मैंने बोला, and I'm like, I'm hearing this for the first time, like something like this has, like this happens, like this guy is famous for this. I'm like, हाँ नहीं मारेंगे यार, मतलब अब मैं कैसे किसी बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी के पास जाके उनको बोलूं यार कि मतलब सर आप मारना मत उसको, जबकि मुझे पता ही नहीं है। So I didn't say it like then, and I just asked him in my own way, so just be careful while you're doing this, okay? And he's like, yeah. And exactly the same thing happened. When the director said action, this guy came forward and he actually, hit his elbow on his chest. And after the cut, like the fighter came up to me and he told me, "Vicky, मैंने आपको बोला था ना यार, देखो ना उनको." And like, and I said, तो in my own way, I tried to speak to the celebrity. मतलब सर आपने तो बच्चे की जान ले ली सर, मतलब सर यू शुड हैव बीन केयरफुल, नो सर। लाइक, अरे नहीं नहीं, वो क्या ना, फील नहीं आ रहा था मुझे, तो मैंने एक दे दिया, अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से नहीं करूंगा।
दे तो दिया ऑलरेडी, अब क्या नेक्स्ट टाइम?
आई नो इट्स स्टूपिड, राइट?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So before we end the chat, hello Prashant Dingrani. Favorite South movie?
Prashant Digrani is my schoolmate, by the way.
Our schoolmate.
Oh yeah, our schoolmate, yes. I just keep forgetting that you are
Happy
my schoolmate also,
realization.
yeah. You've been my benchmate also, by the way.
True that. I have been
Yeah.
suffering since school.
Okay. Yeah.
So Prashant, any questions for Vicky that he's otherwise not answered, and you can ask him live if you want. But before we end, quick rapid fire, just 3 more questions to go. Any action book that you would suggest the readers to read?
Action book. Uh, I have this book. Let me just show it to you. I think it's better.
बुलर, I shall ask him भुज मूवी कब आ रही है, but अब क्वारंटाइन की वजह से आपको तो पता ही है काफी चीजें ऑन होल्ड हो चुकी है, so I'm sure it'll be delayed for a while, but they will keep you posted.
So, can you hear me? So this is not an action book though, but this is a book on improvisation.
Okay.
So it's by Keith Johnson, and there are some improv exercises that you can do, and there's a great deal in understanding how to trust your body. In with the help of this book, you can also do that. But I think apart from that, there's no such thing as self-research. So I would say, yeah, just watch a lot of action scenes. Try to break it down yourself. Try to watch YouTube videos which are breaking down action scenes so that you understand what is action. Learn, join the workshop, or do some online course. But apparently, just learn so that it helps you grow as an actor, because action and acting is it's not
Hand in
different.
hand.
Yeah, it's not different from each other, because I know that a lot of actors think कि नहीं यार action नहीं भी किया तो भी चल जाएगा, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मतलब action नहीं करना. But you need to understand one thing. There is a lot that you are missing, because you need to realize that around the globe, the biggest movies ever have been the action films. It's not the love stories, it's not the dramas, it's not the thrillers, it's not the horror. It has always been an commercial. We call it Avengers. be it Avatar or anything. It is the action movies. And
True that.
for filmmakers also, it's because it's important for them to keep experimenting and keep learning and keep honing their skills as well, because they also need to realize that the biggest film, first of all, biggest films are the action films, and secondly, if there has been any kind of innovation in cinema, whether it's got to do with the camera, whether it's got to do with CGI, whether it's got to do with any kind of VFX or whatever, it has only happened because there was a requirement in an action scene.
Okay. So, Vicky, we have a lot of questions coming up, and maybe we'll catch all of them a little later because
Yeah, yeah,
we need
yeah,
to end
yeah.
the chat. It's an hour. So, we are
Oh,
going to come back soon with Vicky. But, Vicky, before we go, Prashant is asking, when is your next action video coming up?
uh, I would say pretty soon as the lockdown opens, because our editors and sound engineers are safe at home, and we want it to be that way. We don't want them to be running to their studios just to finish our videos. So it's
Okay,
as
a
soon as the
quick
lockdown is over.
question. Though we'll talk about this in detail later, but I really want to know editing an action sequence is really difficult. Like there's
Yeah.
so much. So tell us a little in very short about your editing experience where action is concerned.
My editing experience when action is concerned, oh my God, it's every frame has to be put in so carefully, so that it conveys a story, and that sometimes is really difficult, because uh, it's the simple reason the way it's been just shot here in Bollywood. But yeah, I can only say this
Also,
much for now. But
Prashant suggests that you should arrange for a self-defense class workshop very soon. So I think post-quarantine, how you're taking action workshop, please do arrange for a self-defense class workshop too, Vicky.
oh yeah, you could be the brand ambassador of the workshop, though. Yeah, sure.
I'm going to come and learn for sure.
No, you can learn, though. Absolutely, it's not tough. Action, anybody can learn action. It's not martial arts.
So, post quarantine, we all are waiting to come and learn action, self defense, and we are going to chat a lot more about your next chat is all about your editing experience because a lot of people want to know that.
Yeah, because that subject does require a lot of detail. But let me just say and add few things over here, that it has been amazing chatting with you, and this actually wouldn't have been possible if it was not for you, because yeah, I never thought that I was gonna do something like this, but unless you suggested that this will be good, and it is actually a nice way of sharing some valuable information and funny experiences as well. Yeah,
And
and
I'm
I
glad you've started, and now you have like back to back live sessions. Tomorrow also you're busy, day after
Yeah, so
also you're
tomorrow,
busy.
yeah. So speaking of which, tomorrow I have a live chat on my page with a director where we will be talking about passion, talent, and acting and direction, and like a lot of acting and direction stuff. Also, day after we have a live session on Foursquare with one of our very talented sound design and engineer, Rudra Anand, and he's gonna tell us and give us some secret ingredients about the art of deception, which is sound design.
So, all viewers, please do log in and go on the live chats, learn more about action, how action speaks louder than words when it comes to cinema. You're welcome, Alok. I'm glad you all have enjoyed the chat. Hi, Abin. And now we are signing off. And you have any more questions, please do ask. We'll be more than happy to DM you. And we shall come back soon on the edit of action and talk about how editing is important in action.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Shweta. This has been wonderful.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye.